Hello and welcome back to the Home Bookkeeper YouTube channel. I'm Emily, the Home Bookkeeper, and in today's video we are talking about something that I get asked all the time. How do I become a great bookkeeper? Not just a good one, not just somebody who knows what a chart of accounts is, but a truly great bookkeeper. The kind clients rave about, trust completely, and stick with for years. So today I'm breaking down the 10 habits, skills, and mindsets that set great bookkeepers apart from average ones. Let's go ahead and get into it. Number 1, master the foundations. Great bookkeepers don't skip the basics. Before you get fancy with automations or workflows, you need a solid understanding of debits and credits, how financial statements work, what proper categorization actually means, and how bank reconciliations work, and how cash flow moves through a business. You don't need a degree and you don't need to be a CPA, but you do need the fundamentals. And honestly, once you understand the why behind everything else becomes so much easier. Number 2, know your software inside and out. You cannot be a great bookkeeper by being okay at QuickBooks Headline. Nope. You have to be confident, efficient, and fast. This means learning keyboard shortcuts, understanding the difference between banking rules and memorized transactions, knowing how to fix mistakes because those are inevitable, exploring reports, not just running them, and updating your skills as QBO updates, which it does pretty consistently. A great bookkeeper knows their software is their power tool. Number 3, create a consistent workflow. A great bookkeeper is not great because they remember everything. They're great because they have systems. Monthly workflow checklist? Yes. Weekly bank feed reviews? Yes. Client onboarding checklist? Absolutely. Document request templates? Those are just life-saving. Your workflow should run so smoothly that you can plug any client into it and deliver consistent results. Number 4, communicate clearly. This one is huge. A great bookkeeper communicates like a human, not like a spreadsheet. You don't just tell your clients what happened in their books. You need to explain it in a way that makes sense to them. So here's an example. Your income dropped 8% this month because that big contract ended. But it looks like your expenses stayed the same. So let's go ahead and talk about that. See, it's not that hard. You also need to respond on time. Ask clarifying questions. Keep clients informed of any changes that's happening inside their QuickBooks. And explain what you need and why you need it. Clear communication builds trust, and trust builds long-term clients. Number 5, stay organized. Great bookkeepers are organized, even if their kids' playroom isn't. I say that as a mom. Absolutely no judgment here. But being organized really looks like keeping documents in the same structured folder layout. Using a project management tool, QuickBooks has one that's already built in. Tracking deadlines, keeping secure notes, labeling receipts, staying ahead of your monthly tasks. When your client says, "Hey, do you remember that vendor we paid in April?" the great bookkeeper knows exactly where to look. Number 6, be detail-oriented without becoming overwhelmed. Attention to detail is critical, but great bookkeepers know how to zoom in and out. They catch small errors and they look at the big picture. Does this P&L make sense? Do payroll numbers add up correctly? Do bank balances match reconciliations? Why did this expense suddenly double? A great bookkeeper doesn't just input numbers, they actually understand them. Number 7, protect your client's financial data. This is absolutely a non-negotiable. You need strong passwords, 2-factor authentications, secure cloud storage, a private work device. I use the HP business laptop. Proper client agreements, a conversation about boundaries and data sharing. Great bookkeepers know trust is everything. Protect that like gold. Number 8, keep learning. Bookkeeping isn't static. Tax laws change, sales tax requirements change, QuickBooks Online updates damn near monthly, payment processors change rules constantly. Great bookkeepers don't just rely on what they learned years ago. They stay curious, they stay updated, and they stay relevant. This is how you go from being a bookkeeper to being the bookkeeper your clients recommend. Number 9, stay calm and problem solve. Here's the truth. Things will go wrong. You will open a client's books and you will see the financial equivalent of a tornado. You will deal with messy categorizations. You will deal with duplicated bank feeds. You will deal with disappearing transactions. A great bookkeeper doesn't panic. They troubleshoot. They reverse transactions. They dig through audit logs, and they find the correct solution, even if it takes a little bit of time. Clients love someone who brings order to their chaos. And finally, number 10, you have to care about your clients. At the end of the day, great bookkeepers care about the business, about the numbers, about the growth, about the story behind the P&L. You don't need to be a therapist, but you are a financial partner. A great bookkeeper anticipates their clients' needs, notices patterns, sends reminders, celebrates their clients' wins, and treats each business like it matters. Because it does. Because business is personal. And there you have it. 10 ways to become a truly great bookkeeper. Not just someone who enters transactions, but someone who leads with confidence, clarity, and professionalism. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. For more business resources, business supplies, gadgets, must-haves, and more, make sure to check out edjconsultinggroup.com/resources, linked in the description box below. And of course, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on those bell notifications so you'll never miss an upload. If you have any video or tutorial requests, make sure to leave them in the comments below. And if you need more assistance, private QuickBooks Online coaching, or bookkeeping and payroll management, feel free to email or visit edjconsultinggroup.com. My firm is fully inclusive and ready to help you along wherever you may be in your entrepreneurship or personal wealth building journey.